Hello and welcome to TechNation. In today's video, we'll be discussing the Amazon A9 algorithm, the proprietary system that Amazon uses to rank products in search results. As an e-commerce enthusiast and seller myself, I've always been fascinated by the inner workings of online marketplaces and the algorithms that power them. The Amazon A9 algorithm is a particularly interesting and important one, as it plays a major role in determining which products are displayed to customers and in what order. In this video, we'll take a closer look at the Amazon A9 algorithm and explore how it works, how sellers can optimize their products and listings for it, and the impact that it has had on the e-commerce landscape. So without further ado, let's dive in. What is the Amazon A9 algorithm? The Amazon A9 algorithm is a system that Amazon uses to rank products in search results. It takes into account a wide range of factors, including relevance, sales history, and customer reviews, in order to determine which products are most relevant and useful to customers. The A9 algorithm is also designed to adapt and improve over time, using machine learning techniques to continuously analyze and optimize the search results. This means that the algorithm is constantly evolving and becoming more sophisticated, which can make it challenging for sellers to keep up. There have been several updates and changes to the Amazon A9 algorithm over the years, with the most recent one being in 2020. This update focused on improving the relevance of search results and included changes to the way that the algorithm handles keywords and product titles. How to optimize for the Amazon A9 algorithm. If you're a seller on Amazon, it's important to understand how the A9 algorithm works and to optimize your products and listings for it. There are several ways to do this. Use relevant keywords. The A9 algorithm places a lot of emphasis on the use of relevant keywords, so it's important to include keywords that are relevant to your product in your titles and descriptions. This will help your products show up in relevant search results and increase the chances of them being clicked on by customers. Have high-quality product images and descriptions. The A9 algorithm also takes into account the quality of your product images and descriptions, so it's important to have clear and visually appealing images and detailed, informative descriptions. This can help increase the chances of your products being purchased by customers. Maintain a positive seller reputation. The A9 algorithm also takes into account your seller reputation, including factors such as your seller rating and the number of negative feedbacks you've received. It's important to maintain a positive reputation in order to rank well in the search results. Use sponsored ads. Sponsored ads are a way to pay for your products to be displayed at the top of search results or on product pages. While this is an additional cost, it can be a good way to increase visibility and sales for your products. The impact of the Amazon A9 algorithm. The Amazon A9 algorithm has had a significant impact on the e-commerce landscape and the way that consumers shop online. On the one hand, it has made it easier for consumers to find and purchase products that are relevant to their needs, and it has given sellers the opportunity to reach a wider audience. However, the A9 algorithm can also have disadvantages for both sellers and buyers. For sellers, it can be difficult to keep up with the constantly evolving algorithm and to optimize their products and listings for it. For buyers, there is the potential for the algorithm to shape their choices and expose them to a narrow range of products, rather than a diverse selection. There are also ethical and societal implications to consider when it comes to the Amazon A9 algorithm. Some have raised concerns about the role of algorithms in shaping consumer choices and the potential for bias in the algorithm's ranking of products. Conclusion. In conclusion, the Amazon A9 algorithm is a complex and influential system that plays a major role in determining the products that are displayed to customers on the Amazon platform. By understanding how it works and optimizing your products and listings for it, sellers can increase their chances of ranking well in the search results. However, it's important to also consider the potential disadvantages and ethical implications of the A9 algorithm, both for sellers and buyers. Thank you for watching TechNation. We hope you enjoyed this video on the Amazon A9 algorithm and found it informative. If you have any questions or thoughts you'd like to share, be sure to leave them in the comments. Until next time, have a great day.